Hey guys, it's Hi5 Trainer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make tomato egg curry. So let's go into the video. The ingredients that you need are 1 teaspoon of Chana Dal, 1 teaspoon of Urid Dal, half teaspoon of Cumin Seeds, half teaspoon of mustard seeds, 2 medium-sized onions cut into small pieces, 3 green chilies cut into medium-sized pieces like this, 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, 1 tablespoon of dried coriander leaves, you can use fresh ones if you have it, 1 teaspoon of Garam Masala powder, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of turmeric, 1 tablespoon of red chili powder, and 1 tablespoon of Kasoori Methi. Optional, if you don't have it, you can skip it. 6 medium-sized tomatoes cut into small pieces like this, 5 boiled eggs, 2 to 3 tablespoons of tamarind extract. Use this size tamarind for this extract, and oil. Firstly, you need to put holes in the eggs like this so all the spices will be absorbed by it. Now you need to put the eggs aside, and you have to put a pan on the stove and let it heat up on high flame. After the pan heats up, you need to adjust the flame to medium and add 1 tablespoon of oil and let it heat up. Because I'm using coconut oil, I'm spreading it so that it can melt. After the oil heats up, you need to add the Chana Dal, Urid Dal, Cumin Seeds, mustard seeds, and fry them lightly. After they're fried a little, you need to add the onions, green chilies, salt, turmeric, and fry them a little on low flame. Now you have to add the ginger garlic paste and mix it well. Now you need to add the tomatoes, then you have to adjust the flame to high and put a lid on the pan. After a few minutes, you need to take the lid off the pan. Next, you need to add the red chili powder, now you need to take a spoon and smash the tomatoes. Now you have to add the Garam Masala powder. Then you have to add the tamarind extract. Then you have to add the eggs. Now you have to adjust the flame to low and put a lid on the pan. After a few minutes, you need to take the lid off. And add the Kasoori Methi. And coriander leaves. Tasty tomato egg curry is ready. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe and turn on the notifications bell to get notified whenever I upload another video.